Hi guys, I'm Pearl and welcome back to my channel, My French Story, the place to be for French, so make sure that you subscribe. Today we are going to talk about pronunciation. I am going to teach you 10 sounds that you absolutely need to know in French to speak like a Frenchie. So without further ado, let's start with the sound number 1. So the first sound that you need to know is the sound E. E. So the sound E is extremely common and used in French, so you absolutely need to be able to make the sound E. But making the sound E is not that hard. What is hard is to identify it, because there are several ways to spell the sound E in French. How do you pronounce those words? How do you pronounce those words? Take your time. So all those words have the sound E. Bébé, jouer, chez, aller, mais. So here you see that the sound E has different spellings. So it is hard when you read. Sometimes you can be tempted to, for example, pronounce aller and pronounce the E instead of pronounce aller. So here, let's have a look at more examples to practice. Un bébé, l'école, écrire, un café, chanter, jouer, un cahier, entier, le nez, chez, parler, mais, T, C, les, des. Un jouet, un briquet, un poulet. Now, how do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce that? So here you need to pronounce fleur, fleur. And the sound that you need to be able to make in French is the sound heure, heure. So the sound can be a little bit harder to make because you have this little r sound at the end that is very, very, very subtle. So it is heure, heure. So let's practice with more words. Une fleur, une fleur. Une heure, une heure. L'heure, l'heure. Un ordinateur, un ordinateur. Un menteur, un menteur. So now let's have a look at another sound that is really, really important for you to know. How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce that? It's a bit tricky. I agree with you, this word is a bit tricky to pronounce. So you need to pronounce soleil, soleil, soleil. Here the sound that is really, really interesting is the sound A, soleil, A. And I see a lot of you guys struggling with that sound because you don't have that sound in English, so of course it is hard for you to pronounce it. So here we need to practice, so let's have a look at more words. Le soleil, le soleil. Un réveil, un réveil. Un conseil, un conseil. Un appareil, un appareil. Une abeille, une abeille. Vieille, vieille. Une bouteille, une bouteille. So in number 4, 5, and 6, I decided to put the 3 sounds together because they are a little bit tricky to pronounce. So how do you pronounce those three sounds? How do you pronounce that? Interesting. So here, if you have pronounced the three sounds exactly the same, no. The three sounds are different, so you need to pronounce them differently. I agree with you. The difference is very, very, very tiny from one to another, but the three sounds are different. So you need to pronounce mm, mm, uh, and uh. So with the sound you see that my lips are not really moving. Here, if I touch my nose, you can feel a vibration. I feel my nose vibrate. Okay? And then you have the sound So here you see my mouth. I need to open it. And finally you have the sound So something that you can do to help you pronounce, you can like move your head. And also the sound it is the same sound that you do when you count. And you do 1, 2, 3. The 1 is the sound that I want. So now let's practice with more words. Un ballon. Un ballon. Un salon. Un salon. Un mouton. Un mouton. Une montagne. Une montagne. Un pont. Un pont. Un enfant. Un enfant. Entendre. Entendre. Entier. Entier. Lent. Lent. Un lapin. Un lapin. Un matin. Un matin. Un copain. Un copain. Une main. Une main. Now, how do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? So here, I am sure that a lot of you guys pronounced action. Action. And here you're using the English pronunciation. Here the sound that is really interesting is this T-I-O-N. This ending, T-I-O-N, is extremely, extremely, extremely common in French. And you need to pronounce sion. Sion. So it's not action, it's action. Action. So here I really insist because I hear it all the time and I correct students all the time over this mistake. So it is not chon, it is sion. So let's practice together. La situation. La situation. La solution. La solution. L'éducation. L'éducation. La natation. La natation. So now, how do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce it? So here, you need to pronounce quantité. Quantité. So most of the time, I hear students pronounce quantité. So here, it is not a qu sound, it is a k sound. Quantité. Quantité. So let's have a look at more examples. Quantité. Qualité. Qualité. Quand. Quand. Qui. Qui. Que. So now in number 9 we have those words. How do you pronounce those words? Same thing here. Take your time to pronounce them. Take your time. So here you need to pronounce them the exact same way with the sound R. R. Mère, 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 terre, vers. Yes. So all those words, they have the sound R. R. The sound R is really common in French, so you need to know this sound. You need to know how to pronounce it. So let's have a look at more examples. Un père, un père, un frère, un frère, père, père, un père, un père, la guerre, la guerre, le tonnerre, le tonnerre, ouvert, ouvert, vert, vert. So in number 10 we have this word with this sound. How do you pronounce this? So I talked about that sound in my previous video with how to improve your French with 10 words, and oh my god, people continue to pronounce it wrong. So here the pronunciation is bonne. Bonne. Yes, on sound. So please let me know in the comment section box down below. Did you pronounce bonne perfectly? Yes or no? Let me know everything in the comment section box down below. Well, if you haven't pronounced it properly, that's okay. We are going to practice together with more words. Bonne, bonne. Une personne, une personne. Une patronne, une patronne. Une tonne, une tonne. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Please let me know in the comment section box down below. What was the word that you couldn't pronounce? Let me know everything in the comment section box down below. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button because hey, you don't want to miss anything. That's it for me and I see you very soon for another video. Salut!